In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete cards safely from your Trello board. This process ensures that once you decide certain cards have served their purpose, you can remove them completely, making sure nothing cluttered lingers in your digital workspace anymore. Let's dive right in. First things first, the journey begins on your Trello project board, so head over to your board either by navigating through Trello or by using a direct link, if you have one readily available. This is where all your cards reside, and you can visually scan through for the card or cards you're set to delete. Once you're on the board, locate the specific card you want to delete. Think of this card as the digital representation of a task or note that you no longer need to keep around. Click on the card to open it. This action allows you to see all the details that the card contains, from its description to attachments, if any, giving you one last look before you opt to delete it. Before a card can be completely deleted, it first needs to be archived. Archiving is like placing it in a waiting room, ensuring it doesn't show on your board but isn't gone for good just yet. Within the opened card, look for the option labeled Archive and click on it. At this point, the card is moved out of view, and while it's a step towards deletion, it's still retrievable if you change your mind. Now that the card is archived, our next task is to head to the list of archived items. Look for the set of 3 dots positioned on the right side of your Trello bar. This icon usually houses more advanced options related to your board's management. Click on these dots and then opt to view archived items. In the archived view, you'll find your card listed. From here, you have the option to permanently discard it. Look for the delete option specifically for your card and click on it. It's crucial to note that this is the irreversible step. Once a card is deleted, it cannot be restored. A prompt will usually appear asking for confirmation to make sure you intended to take this irreversible action. Confirm your choice by clicking on delete once more when prompted. This final confirmation ensures that the deletion was deliberate and prevents accidental erasure. With this last click, your card will be permanently removed from all your Trello records. And there you have it. Simple yet strategic steps to keep your Trello workspace organized and free from unnecessary clutter. Remember, deleting a card is permanent, so always double check before completing the process. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to clean up your digital workspace regularly to ensure you stay organized.